Our PCB depopulation machine is a vital asset in the electronic waste recycling process. Designed to efficiently remove solder and electronic components from printed circuit boards, PCBs, the machine is adept at handling various types of circuit boards, including computer motherboards, television circuit boards, and communication devices. Before utilizing the PCB depopulation machine, it's essential to prepare the circuit boards correctly. Larger boards, such as those found in computers and TVs, should be cut in half. Additionally, hazardous components like screws, batteries, high-voltage packages, wires, and other easily combustible materials must be removed. This preparation is crucial for ensuring safety and efficiency during the dismantling process, as mixing different sizes or types of boards is strictly prohibited due to their varying materials and structures. This type of PCB depopulation machine operates at a working voltage of 380 plus or minus 10 volts, with customizable options available for 415 volts and 440 volts, tailored to the specific needs of your operation. After dismantling, the remaining clean motherboards are ready for the next stage of recycling, where they can be processed to recover valuable metals like copper. The extracted components can either be resold or further processed for precious metal recovery. Our PCB depopulation machine is an essential tool. Not only supports environmentally responsible practices, but also aids in recovering precious resources from electronic waste, making it a wise choice for any e-waste recycling operation. If you're interested in our machine or looking for a complete solution to recycle e-waste and extract precious metals, feel free to contact us to learn more.